BMW has always been at the forefront of innovation, and with the Neue Klasse, they're redefining the future of electric mobility. A revolutionary EV packed with cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and thrilling performance. Is this the car that changes everything? Let's take a closer look. The Neue Klasse introduces a bold new design language. BMW's iconic kidney grille is now fully digital, seamlessly integrated with the futuristic LED lighting. The sleek, aerodynamic body isn't just for looks, it's engineered to enhance efficiency and maximize range. Every detail is a statement of elegance and innovation. Step inside, and you'll experience a digital revolution. The Neue Klasse features BMW's panoramic vision display, stretching across the entire dashboard, giving the driver a fully immersive and intuitive experience. A minimalist design, combined with sustainable materials, creates an atmosphere that's both futuristic and eco-friendly. With an advanced AI-powered infotainment system, seamless voice commands, and next-gen connectivity, the Neue Klasse isn't just a car, it's a high-tech driving assistant. BMW is known for its performance, and the Neue Klasse takes it to the next level. With 6th-generation BMW eDrive technology, this EV delivers instant torque, exhilarating acceleration, and a range of over 600 kilometers. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, it offers the ultimate driving experience. Charging an EV has never been this easy. The Neue Klasse supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing it to go from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Plus, BMW's commitment to sustainability means this car is built with recycled materials and produced using renewable energy, setting new standards for green mobility. The Neue Klasse is more than just an electric car, it's a vision of the future. A perfect blend of luxury, technology, and sustainability that proves BMW is leading the way into the next era of driving. What do you think? Is this the EV we've all been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below.